Bro, television, everywhere. Well, local members at the Capitol building this morning after the Supreme Court ruling yesterday. So folks out this morning. Royal Caucus already here this morning. Now moving to the office of Honorable J. Marvin Cole. Folks, that's it.
I don't try to push them anymore. Come away from me, man. You want to stop it on the road, man? You want to stop me? Where you want to go? Where you want to go? I can enter anywhere where I can enter here. I can enter anywhere I want to enter here. Anywhere I want to enter, I can enter here. Oh, I know you are saying for me again. If I can't do that, can see your family. Oh, okay. Come on, top bullshit that I will see. God dirty asses. On the phone, you can say for more ratty AK. I will flog you. I'm going to say for more ratty AK, I hear ratty AK to the beat, and then go play ratty AK to the beat. Dirty, I want the most thing that I just walk about shop.
That's it. Calling it here this morning. Folks, it's so interesting from our end. So here to view it. So folks, the Rural Caucus members are touring the building this morning. So interesting. So it's just listening. So touring, right? So interesting. Rural Caucus touring the Capitol building after the Supreme Court ruling yesterday.
Please open eye on.
So that's it. Caucus members, the Rural Caucus members are touring the Capitol building after the Supreme Court ruling yesterday.
I'll meet you here tomorrow.
See you there?
No, I'm not tomorrow.
No, all right.
So folks are so interesting. So folks, that's it this morning. Keep watching. Keep watching. That's it this morning. So as you see, we are all here. So folks, that's it. These are all members of the Rural Caucus here touring the Capitol building this morning after the Supreme Court reading yesterday. So folks so definitely. Yes, folks that's it. And so it is so important. So it was a very, very little heat between Honorable Yeka Korwa and security and sound at the office of Honorable Richard Nambekun. And you watch that little tussle. It was so interesting. And folks keep following as we are here this morning as these lawmakers are touring the building. And the Supreme Court provide a very clear understanding of their earlier ruling that talks about the ultra violence of the majority members. And now
Okay, all right. I will tell you.
Mama, come in there. I want to put my
What's going on?
I'm not angry. I'm not angry.
We saw you forcing to enter the majority plus speaker office. Why are you taking down? What is it? Why are you taking down?
Come in, I'm speaker.
what's that? Let me see that. Let me see.
Come in, I'm speaker.
What's the reason of which you are doing such a thing?
I'm speaker, man.
Why? Is it that you are taking the law into your own hand now?
I'm in a job, I'm speaker.
Wow.
I'm in a jump up. The Supreme Court rule already. I'm in a speaker. I'm in a jump up. I'm in a jump up. I'm speaker, man. This Supreme Court ruling, but they want all people to go. They don't play population, man.
It's a just watch that. Keep following. This is to the Liberia television.
On the water. That boy been down the oil room.
How over here? Oh, this shower.
Who's that? Who would I bet? Excuse me. What? Grass? Yeah.
President, we got
Come here, President.
So the Cacus members are touring the building, informing all head of departments.
Yeah, I think want to go to the
Informing departments head that there will be an emergency meeting tomorrow.
I don't know. Not that. What person was running that? Don't take it. I just want to Yeah. That's what it's control first. No. I found one to that place.
So the ruler. So folks, last say this morning.
Mr. Control.
So you want my salary? Sophie, I know that you listen to the mandate of the Supreme Court. I've come to encourage you, your staff, to respect the Supreme Court. Going forward, any directive sent by you or the legitimate chairman ways and means will be counterproductive. We've come to encourage you to abide by the laws. Attempt to disrespect the law, you'll be disrespected. Thank you.
All right. You can say my big brother also me. I go procurement.
So folks, that's it. The chair of rules, order and administration, Honorable J. Marvin Cole.
No, good, don't worry.
You see me bossing it, General?
They're outside there.
Jamais y'all come, colleagues y'all come.
You obey and act in the confines of the law. So we've come to encourage you to live within the confines of the law. Anything outside the law, it will not be acceptable. So that is why Speaker Kofar asked us to stimulate some of you who are the directors, more especially the So thank you.
Oh yeah.
It is expected that you live in the confines of the law. Going forward, any procurement documents put out of this building under the signature of James Blair as chair on rules and order, you will be held responsible.
Thank you.
Supreme Court has spoken, and you must obey it.
All right.
And so folks, that's it. That's the exercise this morning. The lawmakers are now touring the building, the Capitol building, and visiting various departments here, and now sending out the caveat that the Supreme Court has finally ruled, and all those workers under the import of the House of Representatives should abide by the folks are. That's it.
I did not concern you.
And so folks, that's it this morning. That's the essence of the SSR. This morning, lawmakers from the Rural Law Caucus are visiting various departments here at the Capitol building.
Chief Black always says because you're crook. Crook them never will.
The essence of this exercise is to reinforce the Supreme Court mandate and to inform those departments here that the Supreme Court has finally ruled, and that all those under the employed or in the employed of the House of Representatives should abide by the Supreme Court's ruling. And so folks, Honorable J. Marvin Cole, the chair on Rules, Order and Administration, is the one leading this exercise as it was mandated by the legit Speaker, J. Fonati Kofa. And folks, that's it this morning. Keep following. This is Today Liberia Television. We're now heading to the maintenance department. As you can see here, those lawmakers.
Yeah, what's my office? Where?
No, we did it over there. Somebody call Jerry. Come right here.
So now we are now in the maintenance department.
Good morning.
I know, Mr. Boyd, you heard the mandate from the Supreme Court. Did you? The ruling. So we're going to inform you officially from the Speaker that the work in confine of that law. If anybody to touch the building, it will be counterproductive. Thank you, sir.
All right. Like the chief office, chief guy.
Hold it door down.
The woman are always sick.
Yeah.
She always sick.
Always sick.
Always sick.
So we're now heading to the chief clerk office. To the chief clerk office. So this is the chief clerk office.
How you doing? You alright? What's the line? Oh, my man?
She's not well yet.
She's not well. She's not well.
What is everything?
When they started, she's not
Everything in
well.
office upstairs.
Where?
Oh, in the old building, way up there, before the old chambers. I'm going to inform you so that you can communicate that to the chief clerk. She where?
Sure.
You heard her, please come outside. She not well. But she in all the sickness. The Supreme Court just ruled yesterday. I know that this country is a country of law. It's expected to do all the efforts, including the us to communicate with them. That we will respect and obey the ruling of the Supreme Court. Anything outside of the ruling by any staff or director, including the chief clerk, will be counterproductive. It will be consequential. The law must be obeyed. Thank you. Good job. Okay?
You can't directly from the
So what we're doing, we're fighting the whole building?
No.
Go to the office now.
The everything is the one I've been doing most of the communication, so we need to meet in person.
Yes.
He was saying he did not get a message, so let's go to him and meet him and tell him. Because we don't see the jobs and we know.
Yeah, because at least they will be on the record that they were informed. Because the president here, they were informed. And then we'll follow up with the region.
Get there, sister. What's up? He told me he's a God. He's a God.
So folks, that's the exercise. The lawmakers are informing the heads of various departments and about the Supreme Court ruling yesterday.
Where's the office? I would get a message. What's all this, huh?
Why is there a office?
So wait, they mean that you want to see
Let me go and come to the office. Hey, Dama. Hey, Dama.
the now we're going to give our force. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
Hey!
The office of the deputy chief clerk.
What's it, David? In office? Okay.
Oh.
Chairman, I go there. See, he's not here. In office. Let go. David,
What the deputy chief clerk?
step out.
Is he in the building?
What you say? He's not around. But we can leave message here.
Leave the message. Who the chief of staff to him?
COS.
Okay, that's right.
Let's show him who the COS.
Which? Oh, okay.
You are talking about the deputy chief clerk office here. Who the next person?
The grandson, you?
Who they have for that place? Beside the deputy, I mean, you?
Yeah, give a message to him. But you can take
Okay, we
it.
just want to give you simple message. I know that you listen to the ruling of the Supreme Court. The Speaker has directed. I will inform the Deputy Chief Clerk to operate within the confines of the law. An attempt to take illegal instruction would be unacceptable and will consider it as an affront to the rule of law. Thank you.
Any communication going on should come from the legitimate speaker.
It is cut out there.
Instruction will be given very soon to do some communication.
Baby.
What you gonna say that? He's a good chairman.
So we are now moving to the office of the sergeant at arms.
We do the very usual work.
Also get message from legal too. Boy, you're coming in your office, please. Look here, instruction from the speaker. Are you lawyer? Are you on the phone? That's it. Okay, so give it back. Boy, boss it out. Boss it out.
You gotta get change the intro. Yeah.
Y'all will let the Lord make us come.
And you see one.
Now you pick your time, Lord. Yeah, that's a
Lord
good
make us
coming.
Come on.
Councillor, I know you were at the court, you understood the ruling of the Honorable Supreme Court. It is expected of you to obey the ruling of the Supreme Court. It has been directed by the Speaker J. Fanati Kofa. An attempt to go outside of the confines of the authority of the law will be counterproductive.
Thank you, guys. Come.
So folks, that's it this morning. So Korea, the sergeant at arms.
What is that?
Sergeant arm. Where's the commander?
All the commanders, all the heads
Commander
out.
sick?
Oh, the sergeant on 16.
You have a good thing, God sakes? What is everything?
On est arrivé à
Merci, combien hier?
So for okay, so you take the message.
So folks, that's it here. The Cacus members have touring the various departments. So that's it. So, Honorable Ko, good morning. Good morning.
Very good. You are not very good.
Good morning, Chief. Good morning. So, folks, that's it. And so, folks, that's it. This is the grounds of the Capitol building this morning. Some of the supporters of the Honorable Richard Nangwe-Kun are here as well. That's here. So this is it. So folks,